Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable Google Chrome AI search. Let's walk through the steps to activate these features. First, open your Google Chrome browser and click the extensions icon in the upper right corner. Select Manage Extensions to enter into Chrome Extensions page. Then click on Chrome Web Store. Here, type ChatGPT Search in the search box, and press Enter. Enter into the first result, and click on Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Now ChatGPT Search is all ready for you to use. Here you can directly type what you want to search in the URL text box. Then it will automatically jump to ChatGPT website and answer your questions with AI Assistant. If you've got ChatGPT Plus, you can own more informative answers. To return to original Google search, just add G at the beginning of your search keywords. The search engine will automatically jump to the Google search interface. Alternatively, you can also disable ChatGPT Search temporarily. Click on the extensions icon, and then Manage Extensions. Turn off ChatGPT Search here. You can re-enable it when as you need. And that's it. You've successfully enabled AI-powered search features in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions.